So functions is our next topic. Functions are the easiest and most natural way. Sorry, I have some problems. Yeah, where we was, yeah, on function. Functions are the easiest and the most natural way to make computation from variables and for obtaining results from variables. A function definition begins with functions and the ends with a and function. For example, to convert euros, maybe we defining or denoting it by E in dollars, dollar denoted by D with an exchange rate T. The dollars function is defined. The variables are E and T and the image is D. Just have a look. Function D stand for dollar. I'm just assigning the value for dollar. E comma T. E stands for euros and T is the trade time. And for AND this function, we will have to write AND function. So here your function is AND. Now write dollar. So euros 200 and rate 1.4 and your answer, oh, there is some mistake. Spelling of dollar is wrong. So again we proceed from this one. Yeah, dollar spelling is instead of V there should be A. Sorry guys, mistakes are meant to happen. So again we're writing D equal to E star T. And now we proceed. And now we can input. You can give input without making any mistakes. So 200 euros and the rate is 1.5. So here you go. $280. So very usually numerical functions are functions of one real variable. For example, two functions f and g are defined using the following commands. So before we proceed, I will have to clear this console and now we can proceed. So two functions. So functions y equal to fx semicolon. So I'm assigning the value of y equal to 36. Oh sorry guys, we had mistakes. Mistakes are meant to happen, you all know. Slip on my fingers. So I'm again writing this one and semicolon, and now end this function. End function. End function is the key for ending the function. Also for next function, function y is equal to gx, and assigning the value, and now end this function. The defined function can then be used to calculate values like f10. Oh, mistake. Again we look forward, function y is equal to fx, and assigned value is this, and function hmm, gx, and assigned value is this one, and then end function. So why did we got answer? What's the problem? Just write for g1 12.5. Now enter. Sorry guys, this one is inappropriate system.